How to reset Commercia Bank password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to reset Commercia Bank password. So first thing, just head over to your commerciabank.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And if you are having problem with logging in, let's say you forget your password and you want to actually reset it, then you just have to click on this forget your password option right below the login button over here. So just tap on that and you should follow the on-screen instruction, which is of the step 2. So to reset the commercial web banking passwords, you can just confirm your identity. So once you complete the process, you will be prompted to create a new password. So just provide all of the details which are mentioned over here, such as your user ID, that is your registered user ID, as well as your email address, where they can use to send you an OTP or reset link to create a new password, and simply follow the on-screen instructions. And once you do all of that, just re-enter your login ID, that is user ID, as well as your newly created password, and simply click on login to successfully reset your commercial bank password. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.